YouTube channel. Today we're doing Cody's oil change.
You get that shit done?
Listen to this, baby. It's gonna be so loud.
Alright.
Buddy, turn this.
Let me show you Alexis. Show you what's special about this on the oil.
Sheesh.
Don't back up.
Oh, okay.
So you're just plugging the
Oh.
negative? Yeah, motherfucker. He wants to start.
She's ready.
Show me this motherfucker. If this bit, you can put a pet. Look, you got a nickel?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Do me a favor. Shut the fuck up.
Alright, what's up, YouTube? Pull my shit up. Pull me up.
Yep, Castro.
Pull me up.
Oh.
Cut that out.
Cut this out.
Alright, what's going on, YouTube? Bye. Put my oil up right quick.
Yep.
Pull me up.
Castro.
Really close. How you say? There's new 0.3 in this push. Alright.
Ready? Move that little thing
Ready?
under your wheel.
Slowly do it.
You ready?
Dude, what do you mean ready?
Oh, you're ready.
I said ready, Mike. You gotta just drop my
Oh, you did it? You got all blue today?
Nah, not today.
Try to stay 2 weeks. I have no
Hit the bell looking at it.
Let the real man do it.
That is your jaw.
Forward. Jack. Back up. Alright, Jack. Don't hit my head. Alright, go. Up.
Hey, chat. What's up, chat?
Set up a kick account.
A kick account?
They did this shit at Texas and it looked like it was popping.
A kick? Like a license?
Yeah, like, I'm gonna make one.
Nigga, we should become YouTubers.
Or you should make one.
On God, we should
One
become.
of us. Whatever.
A kick account. And just stream from my phone?
Yeah.
Why don't you use the camera?
To stream?
Or to upload like this? Or like
Well, that's good. Fuck.
Well, it just takes a while to like get the videos off the camera to my phone.
My ass is out,
We could do like, look, we could do kick streams, kick takeovers, right? And then we all get mic'd up.
Yeah, that'd be
And
cool.
then you recording that actual camera.
Next thing you gotta get is mics.
Mics?
Like we have to all get mic'd up and then record on the one camera on live stream.
Or just get a mic for your camera.
I knew this shit is right here. Like whatever this is,
Facts.
it's like that's just like.
Look at that dude.
All right, now put that wheel on this side.
Let's take that shit for later.
Yeah, fake. It's your job.
I thought you were a mechanic.
It's your job. Look at this.
Come on, bro. Fucking.
You can't see. Get closer. There we go.
Push it in.
That's all. That's it.
That is your jaw.
I hold this.
Here? Like right here? Alright.
All right. Are you put hand tighten all of them?
How do I switch
Hand tighten.
Oh.
You see I'm straight? My shit's straight?
No, roll back. We need sharper cards, bro. They got sharper cards. That shit was so fun, bro.
Are you bring your shit to the pad?
I'm gonna bring it.
We'll get
Alright,
buckets.
let's go to Walmart. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, let's go.
I'm trying to roll back, dead ass. I'm trying to
He's trying to spin.
He's trying to roll back.
I'm trying to spin.
They got like General Dollar right there, bro. We just go.
General Dollar.
It's the ones you hold.
What?
We need shopping for, bro. The cards. Could you like a mosquito? Like the white mosquitoes?
marshmallow.
What's like your favorite rapper? Young boy bought that jacket one time, so you bought it.
Didn't you steal that shit?
He gave.
Oh yeah, he sold that shit.
That shit was crazy. I remember that day.
They made you pay for that shit.
That shit was so funny. We were in the car. I'm like, bro, where the ball was at, bro? The car. I'm like, where's the thing at? He didn't answer the phone. The nigga walking to the car, mad as fuck. He's like, yeah, with the bag and everything. How much was it?
60.
Wait, what'd you do for the
I was trying to take the fucking, the thing off. The every yeah.
That was at Burlington.
The one you could take off, but it's like kind of hard. But
And then,
nigga tap. You either gonna pay for it, or I'm calling the cops. I'm gonna for sure.
enough money, you know?
Yeah.
You'd be like,
Enough money, nigga. I always got enough money. Fuck. That's just your thing, I think.
nah.
Yeah, that's just.
Don't let me hit a spread on your own.
Oh, do it.
Oh shit.
Hit a spread.
You
got less than one paycheck, bro.
Oh, I didn't put the other ones on. I put out a 5.
Damn.
I
Oh.
wouldn't take that.
No, on YouTube. On YouTube.
$10.
Bro, he got you on YouTube.
Don't rip it, bro. Bro, it's my only dollars, bro.
My bad, I'm sorry. Oh, look.
Look, he's already stripping. Look at his pants.
That's the second day you wore them.
You know something called a washer and a dryer?
No, turn around.
No, wallah.
That's why it stings, bro.
Wallah, turn around. Wallah, clean this. Turn around. Wallah.
Point.
No.
Why's it wet? Why's it wet? Why's it wet?
I think I was laying on the ground.
Turn around. Roll back. Roll back. I smell it. Turn around. Just turn around. I smell it.
Watch this shit. I'm about
Oh,
yeah. That's honey.
Give me that shit. I'm put on the link.
We need like a.
Get the one off that big ass sign. You see?
I couldn't find that shit.
When did the rollback season start?
Nah, that'd be cool if like you were rolling back and you like handed that to somebody.
That shit be roll back. Who is that? You know Fatty finna let me roll back in that shit?
Okay.
Nah, but that shit would be hard though, getting a rollback.
I gotta find one to steal one. Hey, everybody ignore it. So
I don't steal.
be like, how about everybody just be like, "Did you stink?" Type shit.
He's gonna start.
Nah, you heard me? Just do it. Just do it. No, something be like, "Nigga, you stink," and everybody be like, "Nigga, you stink." Alright, do that. Alright.
I got you. Hey, but don't drive
Is that on
off.
YouTube?
Don't drive off. Don't drive off.
What you small for? Alright, to shut the fuck up.
My bad. That smells kind of funny, I ain't gonna lie.
Coming for you, nigga.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Where's it? Come spin actual shit.
Oh, Sal's so excited. He's like, finally, bro. Fuck, finally.
Hey, go pour some water already.
Tell him keep it in one.
Look, when you spin, keep that in one.
You really don't trust me, bro?
Nigga, go.
Give me the keys, nigga. Get your fucking
Look.
Bro, I trust you. I would let you spin, but she getting to that age where like
What about me?
she getting to that age.
Hey, listen. Let me talk to subscribers. This man said he gonna let me spin a week ago. We went to.
We got those sales. We got the pet.
Shoot him up.
hoodie fisher slash water boy.
For real. Fuck you slash water boy. Fucking the fatty huss slash water boy.
Ayub underscore Khalil underscore. I should change my username. My username is ass.
Are you Khalil?
Legit, just my first and last name.
Yeah, it's pretty lame.
I don't know what to change it to.
Get hype by you guys.
Ah!
NOPD, bro.
Sick.
Fuck them, nigga.
Oh, you taking off on NOPD?
Fuck the NOPD, nigga.
Oh shit.
Fuck them.
Shit, chill. Hey! Oh shit. They saw that.
Go to the pad. Yeah, but I hope they don't come here, bro. If they come here.
Did they come in?
No, I'm saying like the tow truck.
It's like if the people from the pad, if they come here.
What you thought I said?
Like the cops
Pad part 2, Saturday night. Rainy as fuck.
Rainy awful.
That's the outro. I mean, the intro.
Intro.
Alright, we'll see you at the
Nah.
pad. We gotta cover you. I will see you at
Cut to Grayson Drive.
No.
That's not the intro of the video.
Alright, this is just.
Like we already got the intro like a couple days ago or some shit.
Alright, this is just. Alright, on the way to the pad, we clap, and then we clap again over there.
No.
Me and
No,
our
what the
boss.
fuck? That lame ass shit.
We're gonna be like.
Hey, they never seen Ayu's whip.
I don't wanna see that shit.
I'm gonna go to my house, bro.
Put pants on too, dude. Ain't nobody wants to suck that weak ass shit.
Hey, chill. Yo, cut that out.
Alright.
I swear. See everybody around me and shit. You know what I'm saying? Can't be lacking. Who this?
Yeah.
Look, I just put like my PPT on it. Do I have to clock out or no?
Yeah, you can clock out. You put it in already?
Yeah.
Alright, clock out and come pull up two fatties.
You can waste his PTO on a pad.
You get like a lot, bro.
I'm
Huh?
going home first.
Oh, alright. Man.
You're just gonna meet us there, right?
What?
You're just gonna meet us there, right?
Shit, probably. I don't know.
Well, we don't leave till like
8:30.
8:30. So.
That's why I felt ants on you,
Bro, who's saying that shit, bro?
That's like you.
Who's saying that shit?
Oh, it's Cody, bitch ass. Oh, scary ass, nigga. I met it with you, bitch ass.
Man, that was you, bro. You keep playing.
He's gonna don't stand on no type of business. My name Cody on the bitch.
Oh my god.
That's crazy as fuck.